So what's up? So another day, another trade journal. So today is November 15, 2025, and I have this idea or lessons in my head. So I want to record it because I want to save it. Okay? And always remember this. So since I have this low capital, yeah. So what I should do is protect it. You should protect it, bro. You should protect it because as a beginner that have a small capital, you should protect it no matter what happens. So if you put a trade, then you see a profit, then make it yours. Grab it. Don't wait for a moment that market will grab it to you. So that's what I lesson. So today, what important is you control your greed. Don't don't what this don't greed control you. Alright, so what I mean is, even it is a good I mean even if it is a small wins is a win. A small wins is a win, a big wins is a win. Yeah. So if you see if you have this win, then grab it, make it real, make it yours. All right. So and one day you will reach that you have already now a extra money. Then that's the reason, that's the time, rather that's the time you will put a big risk. Okay, so today is a small risk. Then if you gain these small wins, it will become a, if you compile these small wins, then it become a big wins. So keep going, bro. A win is a win, and if you manage it, if you have a 90% 90% profitable, then I am pretty sure that you can control the big risk. All right. And by the way, take note this, when the times come that you will take a big risk, then put the big risk on the trade that have a high probability win for you. So you get it, and that's it. Thank you, bro. Keep going. I know you can do it. And happy trade journal, and happy Apoda trades.